Good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, Earth Day. So I thought to celebrate Earth Day, we can make a bird feeder. What you're going to need is a paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube, peanut butter, or I'm using sun butter, 2 sticks, a knife to spread the peanut butter, a pencil for poking holes, and some bird seed. Okay, boys and girls, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take our toilet paper tube and we are going to use our pencil to push 2 holes into the toilet paper tube. So I started one, and I'm going to push my pencil through that all the way through, and I want it to come out the other side. Like that. Now I'm going to do it on the opposite side too. So you should have 4 holes in your tube. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut slits in the top. This is where my ribbon will go after I get done. Okay. Now we're going to take our sun butter or peanut butter, and we want to spread it onto our toilet paper tube. Next, we want to take our toilet paper tube and roll it in the bird seed. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have rolled our tube in our bird seed, I'm going to take the sticks that I found and I'm going to poke them into the holes on the bottom part of the paper towel tube that we pushed out with our pencil. This is where the birds will be able to sit while they eat. The final thing that we're going to do, boys and girls, is we are going to put the ribbon on the top so that we can hang it outside. Make sure you have your moms and dads help you to tie a little knot in the top. And there you go. Ready to go outside. Ready for the birds.